And we're live, we're back. This is Web with another Flatsome video tutorial, of course. And today, this is my first video in the WooCommerce playlist. I want to teach you more about WooCommerce because Flatsome is, of course, an e-commerce template. So why not tell you more about the possibilities that you have in optimizing important pages? And today, one of the important pages is product categories. So those are those pages when you're having products, you will assign them, in this case, to the phones category page. And then you have some possibilities into making it more attractive, but also optimizing it for SEO, for Google, to score better in search results. I'm having this hero section ready for you on the members area. So you can copy paste the shortcode. If you're watching this video on YouTube, you need to go inside the description below and then you go directly to this member page. And probably you need to scroll a little bit down because after the recording, I will place the video on top. But once you scroll down, you can find this shortcode that you can copy paste. It's a good thing to know. I like to promote my new Snuff demo. This is a full e-commerce demo ready for you for Flatsome that you can buy on septiloweb.com. So if you want to save tremendous time and want to have a great design ready for your web shop, and this is really a demo layout that you can really that's really useful for big wholesale or retail companies. So make sure you visit Septiloweb and have a look at this. But today it's product categories that is on the menu. So let me show you how to do this. I already did this for phones, as you can see. And now we'll replicate this on the gaming category because as you can see, gaming is still very static. There's not much to it. So let's get that nice hero on top of it. We go to the member area and we copy paste this shortcode first. And then we go to WordPress. We're creating a new UX block and we're calling this custom hero gaming. And then make sure you paste it in the text tab, not the visual one. It will save you some problems. And then paste it in. And then here on the right, click on publish. And once you have done that, you can get this shortcode on the right. And that's an important one because you need to add this to your product category. So select it, copy, and then go to WooCommerce or products categories. And like I said, we're gonna do the gaming one. So going to gaming. And here you can find three parts that you can fill in: the description, the top content, and the bottom content. And that hero section will be placed on the top. So pasting it in, hero gaming update. And now I'm going to show you if it's already working, visiting the Snuff demo, going to gaming. Nope, these are the computers, gaming. And here you can see it works nicely. Unfortunately, and I hope that the Flatsome team could take care of this, we cannot edit this UX block inside the UX builder directly by clicking on this button. Because as you can see, it's searching for a page, but it won't work. So the only way to edit that nice hero is going back to your WordPress installation, going to UX blocks, and then clicking on the gaming hero, of course. And then you can change the title. So let's say gaming. And I already uploaded a nice hero photo for the gaming section. Done. So let me just drag this. And if needed, you can, of course, increase the overlay to make sure that the white text is nicely readable. Update. And then we're ready. As you can see, by refreshing, it's working. So that's the visual aspect of improving this product category. Now let me explain you how to add that text here on top. It's very easy. Going back to products categories. And here it's the gaming, the ones that we want to edit. Nice thing is you can place HTML markups, so also placing headlines. So we already have the H1 in our hero section, so let's make it H2, the best gaming consoles available. So you can, of course, place any kind of text and thinking about the right keywords that your audience will be searching on. I'm going forward with some lorem ipsum for this presentation. Here we go. And then let me update and show you where that will be placed. So that will be placed here on top. And then we have some bottom content because you don't want to make that description too long. You can work with some plugins that you can have the read more button, but it takes a plugin or maybe some scripts because content is king. It's starting to change with the Google algorithm, but maybe you want to have more text. But you don't want to have those people that, especially visiting your page on a mobile, be scrolling too long before they finally see the products. So I'm keeping it short for the moment. And then going back, I wanted to show you that at the bottom content, you can place more text. And then I would say going forward with H3. H3. So let's say best gaming in 2021. That's the year, right? So now when I'm refreshing, as you can see, you can place more text on the bottom. So this is a nice way of optimizing your pages inside WooCommerce, working with the Flatsome team. And I just make use of our amazing demo. So let me know what you think. If you're maybe having ideas or thoughts, I would recommend sharing them on the member area because we are more active on our own member area instead of YouTube. Make sure you do like or subscribe to my YouTube channel because then you will get notified on new stuff. And that's it. So good luck with your project, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.